Welcome to SQN Sudoku. I am going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on March 7, 2022. Hard Sudoku. Column I and 10th row. Only one number is remaining. One is confirmed here. Column C and second row. Only one number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column H and column I and third row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row and column G we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Second row and third row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row and column B we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row we have 6. Column J also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, 4 numbers are remaining. 1, 7, 4, 9. 10th row we have 1, 4, 7. This 3 number can't come these cells. This cell it will come in one of the 3 cells. Only one numbers are remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 4. 7th grade we have 7 and 1. This 2 number can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. First grade we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column D and 8th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Column F and second row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row and fourth row and column D we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 7th row and column H we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H and column J, 8th row and 10th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column I we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I only one number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. 9th grade 4 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 5, 9. Column H and 10th row we have 5 and 9 and 3. So 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Then only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Column H we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F and 8th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, column G and column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 7. Column E, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 6th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column F and column G, we have 2. 5th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column G, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Fifth row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Third row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Third row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.